Ms. Damaris. I am going to walk you through a quick gin cocktail here with some Rose Geranium simple syrup, some Elecampane tincture, as well as some fresh raspberries and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can go ahead and start with the 3 raspberries. Go ahead and muddle those up. Now I'm going to use a ½ ounce of this Rose Geranium simple syrup. I'm then going to use 1 drop of this Elecampane tincture. So I'm going to use 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And then I'm going to use 2 ounces of gin. Now this recipe will also work really well with vodka, if you like. Got some ice here. Really give that a good shake. I'm going to double strain that. Gonna leave a little bit of space so I could top it off with some club soda. And then I'm going to garnish it with some more fresh raspberries.